Congratulations! You finally got monetized. All those days, all those years, months of hard work have started paying off. Wow, I am so happy for you. I am so happy for each and every one of you because I know how tough it is to actually get monetized here on YouTube. Some of us, we have investment. Some of us, we can't just wait to buy jewelries. We can't wait to buy clothes and all that. That's not the best way to invest your YouTube earnings. You know how life is. Some days are good, some days are not so good. There are sunny days, there are rainy days. There's so many, different type of days in life. And also on YouTube, there are days you'll be earning lots and lots of money. There are days you won't earn enough. There are some days you won't even earn at all, especially if you're a new YouTuber. So how do you save for rainy days? How do you invest your YouTube income against rainy days? Because guys, it does happen. It does happen. So how do you do this? When it rains, we want to be covered, right? Definitely. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to invest your YouTube earnings against rainy days. So you got your first YouTube payment, and there's that jewelry you've been eyeing for months, the clothes you've wanted to buy for yourself. And I'm not saying you should not buy those things for yourself because you've actually worked hard. I mean, for someone to become monetized on YouTube, I have to give you your flowers. Well done, you've worked hard and you've come a long way. I am proud of you, and so are so many people in your circle. They are proud of you. But wait, like I said earlier, there are rainy days. So you want to start saving, you want to start investing from your very first, earnings on YouTube. Yes, guys. I know it sounds some kind of way. And listen, I'm not here to tell you how to spend your money because, I'm not the one working for you. But I want to tell you this. Based on my own personal experience, I've experienced failures in my life, failures that has to do with financial struggles, and I don't want you to go through the same. So this is it. So instead of investing your income in jewelries, in clothes and all that, you can invest your earnings in real estate. You can probably buy a place, rent it out, make your money from it, or you can buy a property, flip it and make your money in return. Or you can start investing in agriculture, because agriculture is a very lucrative business. People are always eating, people are always looking for something to eat. So any investment in agriculture will be very, very good, and you have long-term profit for as long as you live. Yeah, it's not like when you buy clothes, when you buy shoes, those things, when you buy them, after 1 year, after 2 years, you have to throw them away. So at the end of the day, when you look at it, you throw away your money. Yeah, but if you invest in something that can keep bringing you money for years and years, and then even when you have kids, when you start to have kids, or for some of you who already have children, you can take care of your children, take care of yourself with the profit that you're going to make from your investment. What other ways can you invest your YouTube earning? You can invest your YouTube earning into buy equipment for your YouTube channel. Like you can buy extra lighting, you can buy some other things that you need for your, for your YouTube channel. Yeah, so when you get this income, look at the things that you need. How is this going to benefit your content? If it is learning how to create a thumbnail or learning how to create a quality video, you can pay, to learn those skills. Those skills are very, very expensive, and many creators online here, they offer training to people who are willing to pay to learn those things. So if you make enough money, if you're making extra money from your YouTube and you want to do better in the future, then go ahead, take a class, learn how to create a thumbnail, learn how to create quality videos, and from there, when you create future videos, you will see that your videos will explode, your videos will be doing well because you've invested so much in, creating quality content, quality video for your audience. Because guys, let me tell you this, Your audience will always come back for something quality, for a video that has substance, for a video that is high in quality. No one wants to watch a video that is blurry, a video that, has no substance. So when you get your YouTube income, you can already like invest at least 10% or 5% of it into getting better equipment, into maybe probably going to school, or even learning things on YouTube on how to move your channel forward. Yes, the good thing about this training is that whatever you learn stays in your head forever. No one can take it out of your head. So when you eventually become better, you can also be, a consultant to other YouTubers, to new YouTubers, and make money from that. Many YouTubers are actually making money from teaching people how to create thumbnails, how to create better videos. Yes, if you invest in learning this thing, one day you can also gain from it by teaching others what you've learned. That's one way of investing the income you make on YouTube, not buying clothes. Clothes that, like some clothes that you buy, after a few months, you won't be able to wear them again. Or after a few years, you won't be able to wear them again. Many of my clothes that I've gotten in the past, I had to give them out or just do something with it. I couldn't resell it because clothing, once you get them, you can't sell them at a higher price. Yes? You can't. Or even shoes. Shoes are beautiful. Wigs are beautiful. Yeah? You want to buy wig. You want to buy this. You want to buy a lovely car. Yeah? But after a few years, you won't be able to, to sell those items at the price you got it. You have to sell it at a lower price. At the end of the day, when you do your calculation, you find out that you wasted your income. You wasted your money. Okay, like some of us might want to buy a car. Like, what do you want to do with your car? Is it just for, traveling from one place to the other? Personally, I don't see myself buying a car. I don't fancy cars. I'm not saying you should not fancy cars, but for me, I don't fancy cars because if the only aim of buying a car is to transport myself from one place to the other, then I don't need a car right now at this point, at this level of my life. Maybe moving forward, when things get better and I get, I get better payments, I get so many income coming in, I can decide to buy a car just for traveling. But right now, if I want to buy a car, it will definitely be something that I will make income from. Probably use it for Uber or use it for deliveries or something like that. Yeah, then I would be able to buy a car because I know that I will be getting something in return from it other than transporting myself from one place to the other. If it is about transporting myself from one place to the other, I can always take a bus, I can always take a taxi. I don't need a car for that. But if I'm going to be making money from it, running errands that will bring me income, then I will definitely buy a car. So guys, don't spend your income on things that, will lose value. Spend your income on things that will create more value, that will bring more income to you. Learn skills, acquire skills, get better at your craft, do something for the community. That's the best way to, invest your earning. Guys, let me tell you, you've seen how the algorithm works, you've seen your analytics. Sometimes you have huge views, sometimes your views are down. Your earning on YouTube will never be the same. Some days are better, some days are not. Some months you earn a lot of money, some you won't. So with the investment you're going to make, you'll be able to stay afloat even when your YouTube videos are not gaining traction. When you have businesses, other businesses on the side, you'll be able to fall back on it when things are not going so well. Because there's a season for everything, guys. There's a season. Just like there is winter, there's summer, there's rainy, and there's dry season. Yes, there's season for everything. Every day is not Christmas. Life goes up and down, and you need to prepare for it. This investment that I'm talking about are things that will actually help you prepare for those days, because those days are coming. It's just part of human life, human nature. We can't escape it. So you want to invest your income. One of the things that drains people financially is high rent. Just because you're making money now does not mean you should move to Lekki or move to New York or move to somewhere very, very expensive just to feel among. No, you don't have to move from your place to the other place because now you're making huge money. Spend your money on rent that you can afford. If you're making $20,000 a month, it doesn't make sense to rent a place where you're paying $15,000 a month because you still need money to invest. You still need money for other things. So the best amount of rent that you'll be looking for is probably a rent of about $5,000, $3,000. Yes, that will give you room to save, invest in other things, and also prepare ahead for, rainy days. Because rainy days do come and no one is going to come and help you, especially if you are an adult. So you want to take care of your finances. You want to make sure that everything is okay. I mean, family and friends might run around to help you, but for how long? So you want to make sure you're not a burden to other people by working on your finances. I'm telling you this because I have failed in terms of finances in the past, and it really hurts me. When you're struggling financially, your relationship might start to struggle because when people see you coming, they'll be like, oh, this person is coming to ask for money, or this person is coming to ask for help. So you don't want that to happen. How do you avoid this? By investing your income. I'm not saying you should not have a good day, you should not have a blast. There are days you want to go out with your friends, with your buddies, good times, you want to go and have a good time. Those are the days, yeah? And it's good to have those days because, you worked hard for it. But don't make it every day. Don't make it become an habit, something you have to be doing every day because you know how expensive it is. So guys, avoid spending your incomes on things that you can do without. Things like expensive clothes, expensive wig, expensive rent, expensive this and that do not bring value. They don't add value to your life or to your loved ones. They don't have any financial value. You want to do away with those things. Those things you only spend on them once in a while. So if you do this, you'll be able to maximize your YouTube earning. Remember when I told you that some days are good, some days are not so good. I have come to the end of the discussion. I hope this video will be able to help YouTubers and other people that are earning from anywhere. Yes, to save and invest for rainy days because rainy days will always be there. Thank you for watching all the way through. Please take a moment to go through my other videos, and if you're a YouTuber who is not monetized yet but you have thousands and millions of views, there's a video down here that I'm going to link to this video. Please go take a look at it. I promise you'll gain a lot from that video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.